Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the English book of class 9, and today I am going to solve an exercise of unit 1, that is ethics and characters building. So today I am going to solve the exercise of the comprehension, that is reading comprehension here. The name of the lesson is Last Sermon of the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So let's move towards the exercise. This time I will solve the exercises of unit 1, and the topic is reading comprehension. Here you are looking at reading comprehension means some questions are selected from the text of the lesson, and you have to choose the right option of that question or query. So here in this reading comprehension skills, we have exercise first. So I will solve here before you this exercise. The question is read the text and tick the correct answer. The first question is, the text is about. Options are the Battle of Islam, the family of Nabi Karim Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the migration and teaching of Nabi Karim Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and the last, pilgrimage. So the question is, the text is about. You know what the lesson is about the last sermon. So the right option will be here, the family of Nabi Karim, no. Migration of teaching, no. The last, pilgrimage, will be the right answer. In the second question, we have here, what is there? Which of the following message is mentioned in the last sermon as given in the text? So, as you know, the last sermon of the Holy Prophet, so you have got a point in your mind. So, we will first read the options one by one. People should not hurt others. Both men and women have rights over each other. See, Muslims are part of one brotherhood. And the key, all of the above. You know that we have seen and read all the three options that are above. A, people should not hurt others. B, both men and women have right over each other. And the C, Muslims are a part of one brotherhood. So the right option will be the option D. Now the second exercise that we are reading here, find the following verse in the text and underline them. So this verse you have to search out from the lesson and have to be underlined yourself. It means this exercise is only be done by the students themselves while reading the text. In the exercise 3, here is telling that from these words, the vocabs that have been given here, in the exercise 2, the student would make the sentence themselves one by one. Any 10 words they will select for making the sentences. So in this way, we have solved the exercise 1, 2, and 3. Let's move to the other exercise here. That is the exercise number. The exercise number is 4, and the unit is 1.1, reading comprehensions. Here the question or a statement is given before you, and you have to be selected that this statement goes in the favor of which options. 4 options have been given here. So we read the options one by one. How did the Quraysh treat Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Means, what was the behavior of the Quraysh towards the Holy Prophet? So we know already then that they didn't like the Holy Prophet at all. They wanted to kill him. they had done a different kind of the wrong or evil plans to get him tied. So the options are favored him, opposed him, loved him, criticized him. So Quraysh never favored the Holy Prophet. They always been a part of the opposition. They never loved the Holy Prophet. They always criticized him. So the option number B, opposed him, was the absolutely correct answer here. Then we will move to this next options, that is here. Where did the Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam migrate to Medina? Option A, 620 ADs and 621 ADs, 622 ADs and 623 ADs. Alright, we know that when we have read the text from the lesson, we find that the Nabi Karim was moved in the years 622 towards the Medina and left the Mecca. So the right option would be C. The question 3 or the statement number 3 is, when Nabi Karim settled Medina, which followed the group of peoples. We know that when the Nabi Karim ﷺ settled in Medina, 4 major groups were residing in the Medina, in which Muslim and Jews were included. Muslim, pagans and Jews. Pagans means kafir, Jews means Yahudi. They were also live there. Third option, Muslim, pagans, hypocrites and Jews. Hypocrite means munafiq. So this option look quite clear because 4 groups that I told you here are included in this option: Muslim, pagans and hypocrite and Jewish. Where did Nabi Karim delivered his last sermon? Quba Mosque, Unara Valley, Jabal Rahmat, Hudaybiyah. You know that Unara Valley is the right option. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are watching Value Educational TV, and we are doing the exercise questions of the Unit 1, the ethics and the character building of the English textbook of class 9th standard. So today I will understand you the exercise number 5, that is here, from the comprehension skills. So let's see what the exercise is about here. Read the text and find out whether the statements are right or wrong. Take the appropriate column. One has been written for you as an example. So in this exercise, you are noticing that you have to write the true and false before the statement. Means that if the statement is true, you will write the mark like this here, and if the statement is wrong, you will put the cross in that column. So let's find first one. The mission of the Nabi Karim continued for 23 years. So in this statement, you are looking that the Holy Prophet ﷺ did their work totally 23 years in the history of the Islam. So here is already put the cross because it is the right statement. And the second, all the Quraysh refused to accept the Islam. It is the right statement because all the Quraysh were not in the favor of the Holy Prophet. You are looking here. Let's move to the third one. The city of Yasrib, less than 32 mile away from the Mecca. The Yasrib was 32 mile. No, this is the wrong statement according to the statement given in the book. Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam decided to build a mosque at a place outside Yasrib because before entering the city, As we have read in the text that before entering the city of the Medina, Holy Prophet with his companion and followers decided to take a mosque outside the Medina, and name was Mosque Quba. So this is the right statement. It is in the favor of the comprehension. Today Yathrib is called the Madinatun Nabi. We know that Madinatun Nabi is the meaning, the city of the Prophet. So today Yathrib is not called Madinatun Nabi, but we say, because Yathrib is the oldest name of the Medina. The newest name of the Medina is Madinatun Nabi or simply Medina. So it is, as you are looking there, the right statement. And then the people of Medina agreed that Nabi Kareem Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam settled their dispute. Yes, it is the right option, because all the peoples, including all the four groups like Muslim, pagans, hypocrite and Jewish, were agreed at this point that the Holy Prophet is a good resolver and he can easily handle each and every problem quickly, fastly and justly with honesty. Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed such a large gathering of people in the last time of Arafat. As you know, that in the last sermon of the Holy Prophet, the people were gathered to listen the pilgrimage of the Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the Arafat were a huge amount, so it is the right option. Islam has different laws to black and white. No, Islam never discriminate between the black and white. All human beings are children of Adam was, yes,